already. And I literally barely pulled up, man. What? Look, there's cops everywhere. What? Damn. I'm following them. I'm gonna go where they're going because the first spot, like you guys saw, they got busted. So, what up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I'm literally at another cart meet right now. I just pulled up to it, and they relocated because the cops pulled up on them. Look at this Hellcat. God, I'm gonna pull up somewhere over there though. You feel me? Let's go. Holy shit. This shit barely started. There's a chopper on top of us already. Whoa. Look at this though. God damn, boys. With the red interior. Let's go. Holy fuck. And this shit barely started, man. What? Already? Fuck. Guys, well, I'm leaving the cart meet because like you guys see right there and right there there's fucking cops and I need to leave. Go ahead and subscribe, people. I'm telling you guys, this cart meet stuff is gonna be getting crazier and crazier and crazier every fucking time. So go ahead and subscribe and smash that like button because it helps me a lot. So and share my videos, tell your friends to subscribe, everybody. And man, these car meets are getting crazy. Look at that chopper. Stay tuned for more crazy videos. Go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here because I don't want to get arrested and get my car impounded. So damn, there's cops everywhere. Holy shit. Yo, they literally had it shut down. Look at that. What? Look at that chopper. Yo, what are you doing? Fucking idiot. Look, everybody's dipping already. Holy shit. Oh, they literally shut down the entrance. Look at that. Yo, they shut down the entrance. Alright guys, like you guys saw, the cart meet got shut down. Cops all over the place. The highway entrances were literally shut down. And man, it got crazy. There's literally a chopper on top of us. Man, stay tuned for more crazy videos. This is the end of the vlog. My name is Goofer. I'm signing out.